Right guys, just a very quick review of Funnelize by JayKayDowdall. Now, this is the sales page. I've only got a sample sales page at the moment. It's still in the process of building it out. However, 8 simple to make funnels that deliver tons of sales, leads and conversions. Funnel number 5 has completely changed my business. So as you've probably already guessed, this is all about sales funnels. Now let me just dive into the members area. Now JK contacted me the other day. He says, I see you've picked up your affiliate link. You must have liked what you saw. And I says, I've not actually reviewed it yet. I just know I'll be promoting it because everything JK puts out is absolutely top notch. His products are brilliant. Okay, they're high quality, tons of value, all based around things that he actually does in his business. Now you will not need all the information that you've actually got, because he goes through all the different types of funnels there actually is and how he builds them out. Now, generally, you will not need a lot of these, especially if you don't launch your own products. However, I certainly wouldn't put you off launching your own products. You've got the offline client funnel, for instance, that probably would not appeal to a lot of people. Now, the funnel number 5 which is what he said has completely changed his business. That is the tripwire funnel. Now this is probably the funnel you want to concentrate on most. It'd be what most of you use. It'd be the one you get most of your commissions from. Now we've got the perfect lead magnets, the funnel gateway, we've got the opt-in page, the boost page, it's got the tripwire funnel I've just mentioned, the webinar funnel, the launch funnel, the affiliate funnel, the mega ticket funnel, offline client funnel, the tagging funnel, retargeting training. Retargeting brings people back really cheaply. If you're not doing retargeting, I highly recommend you do. It's very powerful. You can get some very cheap clicks and some really good conversions retargeting. Email marketing training and an action taker's blueprint. I guess it breaks everything down. There's case studies in here of the results he's been getting from different funnels. There's a webinar case study funnel there. There's an affiliate funnel case study. He hasn't left anything out. Now, I know funnels aren't sexy or anything, but however, they are very important in your business. If you're not using funnels, you're probably not actually taking things serious enough, because if you're buying solo ads, you need a funnel. Even just simple funnels, they don't have to be complicated funnels. As I said, the tripwire funnel is probably the one you want to be concentrating on most, and the affiliate funnel, those will be more of use to you in the general day-to-day running of your business. Now, bonus. I've put together a special bonus for this awesome training. Now, you'll see case study how I generated hundreds of dollars using free traffic. Now, I'm not a big fan of free traffic, as most of you already know. However, this does not take very long. It's very easy to do. It's kind of like 2 case studies, and they both generated hundreds of dollars. And you'd be able to get set up with them today. Okay, you could even actually see results today. You can copy exactly what I did. You can copy the offers I ran, everything. So that will be in your members area of Warrior Plus. All the other bonuses are below. If you're watching this on YouTube, just click the link below this video and you'll see all the bonuses that also go with this product. Take action on Funnelize. It's top-notch training. He hasn't left anything unturned. You've got everything you need. It's the kind of product you'll keep coming back to over and over again as you develop your online presence and start making more and more money. You'll start branching out into different areas of your business. Highly recommend anything that JK puts out, and this is no exception. Now, there are some upsells. I will leave details of the upsells below. I've not had access to them, but I'm sure they're equally as good as the front end. Massive value on the front end. Highly recommend it, and enjoy your bonuses. 'Cause you're a believer.